Hey guys, so today's the 13th of October, which is, yeah, our finals are fast approaching and fucking messed up. Anyway, it's kind of dark. I'm gonna try to, I'm testing out the lights that I have. So this is full power of this light. Let me show you. Here's the light. So yeah, it's diffused though, but it's full power. So let me just try to, there you go. So yeah, today's the 13th of October, and yeah, our finals are fast approaching. I haven't reviewed anything for our class. I've been procrastinating. I've been a bit hopeless, but I'll still try to still fight it. I'll see what I can do. At the same time, I'm also trying to catch up with a lot of things that I need to do in life. And yeah, so basically I still want to do the videos and everything else, and maybe it's me just procrastinating, but yeah, I'm so excited to get a break, because yeah, it's not that this semester is so tough, but it's just that the pandemic has hit me, like, I don't know, it's just hit me. It's just like emotionally exhausted, and I just wanna, I just got tired of it, you know. So I'm hoping that I can bounce back and everything will be fine. But as of now, I'm not much confidence in myself. I might fail a few subjects. I hope not. I'm still gonna fight, and yeah, I'm still gonna update you guys on these videos, and you know, we'll see how I do. You can hear the birds like noisy. I don't think this is straight even. Let me check. I don't know if it's even straight, but yeah. So wish me luck, guys. And as soon as this semester ends, I'm gonna try my best to push through and try to get things done, and try to, yeah, try my best to do better. I did do better today. Last night I was just watching Squid Games and I hate it. Anyway, that's it, guys. I don't know. I'm just not into myself right now. This is a good video for deep dives, but I don't even have the capacity to think to make that video. Anyway, let's just turn this off. So here is my set without the light. Okay, goodbye.